Come on, guys. Get up to this building.
His buddy might still be under the bridge.
window. In the window.
In the wall.
Across from us.
I see him.
Across the street. Yeah.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Killed him. Instant. Oh
Nice.
shit, guys on our right.
Where?
I think that was on our right. What?
No, that's Puff shooting.
Oh, okay.
Dirk,
Nope,
please
nope.
tell me you picked up that suppressor. We're trading suppressors, buddy.
Okay, here. Dropping it off. That's it.
Thanks.
Oh,
Zone is
to our left, to our
definitely
left.
not in our fucking favor.
that's close. Ouch. Yeah, 340.
Oh,
Run,
this
guys,
zone is
run.
not in our favor, boys. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Shit, let's take this fucking vehicle though. It's just a
What is it?
quick drive.
He's running. Tagged him 3
Let's
times.
go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Alright,
get
hang
it. Get in. The zone's closing in 5.
Yep.
Yep,
I
I'm
tagged
coming.
him
I'm
3
coming to the road. Keep driving.
Go.
Fuck! No, get out!
I knocked him. Go. Keep
There's
running.
more.
Keep going.
There's more in the hill.
Just go. We don't have time.
Oh, I'm done.
Bullet. Oh, we left bullet. Fuck, drop me off.
Guys, we're a
Fuck,
fucking.
fuck,
We're
we gotta go.
We're in
Yeah.
minefield here.
Yeah, we're.
I gotta hop out and heal, dude. This is fucked. I got 9
Oh,
first aid
Nate.
somehow.
That's mine, that's mine.
Oh, okay.
Bullet, how you doing?
I'm getting shot at.
Just, can you run?
Yeah, get over to us.
I can try. He's shooting at me, so I need to just heal up.
I'm boosting up. Guys, this next one's gonna hurt so bad, and they're gonna be on the fucking... on that bridge waiting for us.
I knocked 1 bullet, go.
I'm running back. Ah!
Bullet, if you can get to us, we're still with the vehicle here.
Yep. 10
We
seconds.
got the area smoked off.
I knocked 1 of them, so we're gonna be...
Yep, I got 2 knocks,
Yeah,
but
they're-
not a single kill yet. Let's go. I'm here.
Let's go. It's here.
I see one, hold on.
Go, get in. Don't worry about it, Josh.
Alright. Hello. Let's go. Let's make a move. Easy, go.
Oh, fuck!
Ah, there goes Dirk.
No, hop in the driver's seat. Alright, go.
Oh, shit.
Come on, just drive.
Oh, I'm about to
Did
fucking
you jump,
die.
right?
Dude,
No,
this next one's
heal,
gonna
Buff,
hurt.
I
heal.
got shot.
Just keep
You can
going.
heal.
Oh, that's
Heal
water.
up.
That's water.
I know. We
No,
don't
keep
have a
going
choice.
left, keep going. Oh my
Oh,
god!
well, I fucking died. That hurt. A lot.
Puff, I'm gonna drop you like 3 or 4 first aids, dude.
No, I got.
You're still taking fire.
Yeah,
still
he's
right
beyond the
back.
tree at 125.
God.
Fuck me.
Oh, he knocked me.
Oh, GG. Fuck you guys.
Dude, fuck this
So
zone.
stupid.
Now
So
we're-
stupid.
Now we're in the red zone, too.
Yeah, this is
Killed
so
him,
fucking
killed him.
stupid.
Who's alive?
No,
Oh my
oh,
god!
I don't have any first... Oh, there's one over there.
I had 2 on me and like 3.
I got a bunch, dude. Bullet,
Yeah,
I'm coming for you, bud.
there's some already over there. I'm gonna pick them up. Oh god, here's the zone!
Oh god, hit
Oh, I'm not gonna have time to use this.
I hate this, dude.
If
We
you guys
still
want
gotta
this.
go,
Oh.
too.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm running.
No, let's see, the vehicle's still here.
You got a new vehicle.
Okay,
There's no
yeah,
way
dude,
you're
why
making
not, right? Like, this is just...
Go.
This is
Alright,
the
go.
plan now.
Yeah, follow this road and we'll take
Yep,
that
yeah,
bridge
no,
from
I
Orange.
definitely get that plan.
Oh man.
I'm with it, man. Let's do
Josh, switch seats and I'll take over.
it. Okay, yeah. if you're
Get on the
ready.
bridge and then do it.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead.
But
Oh, okay, there you go. Doing band-aids.
Wow.
it's going fast.
Nice. You guys are gonna make it.
In there.
Oh my god.
Might as well
Gonna
go
go
straight
out.
right to the next zone. Just book it. for
No,
the
we have
next
to
zone.
find a compound and stop there and hope there's nobody else there. Right here in front of us,
Oh,
right
either
here.
way, dude, this is gonna be rough.
This one?
Yep, stop.
We're gonna have to walk to the next zone. We still gotta move.
I'm doing my first
Yeah,
aid.
I was just gonna say you guys still gotta move.
Just
There's a
bandage up.
UAZ right outside though. You guys might be okay.
Zone's so
that's
close.
Zone's
we gotta
closing
go.
right
It's
now?
so small.
Zone's-
Let's go.
Oh, you guys might be able to make it. Yeah, to the next
Yeah.
Yeah,
zone.
let's just run.
Oh,
Oh
I'll run
god,
it.
we're so out in the
Go,
open here
go.
though. just gotta hope this compound in front of us is.
This is
Oh, people on our right, up on the hill.
Run around the hill to the left side of the hill, guys. over
Knocked,
here.
he's knocked. Go.
Nice.
Oh my god, guys, there's a drop to our left.
Don't worry about that.
There's gonna be
Good.
something big out here playing. Somebody's gonna have something big.
Dude, how's there's nobody in this compound?
No, I don't buy it for a second.
buy it for a
I don't.
fucking-
This is false hope.
Get in there.
That's all this
down.
is.
Dude, my fucking armor is so fucked up. Is there a chest in here? Oh, there is. Thanks.
Wow. Impressive that there is, actually.
Ooh, circle closing on you boys.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Who can
I'm
believe
moving up
it?
to the next building.
Yeah.
Amateur hour.
It's only 8 people.
Alright, I see
Oh,
one
they're
up
just
on the hill,
95,
100.
95,
Yeah.
I missed.
Where are they? Oh, I see him running down the. Wow, he's a ghillie.
Gilly,
him.
the Gilly. Nice.
Good shot.
Tagged him. Oh my
Moving
god.
in.
Slowly closing.
Yo, he's gonna have
I
to come
tagged
out
him
in front
again.
of us.
I tagged
Got
twice.
him. Got him. He's
Thank
dead.
you. I was like, bitch. What
Nice.
did I hear? A car.
3v4. 3v4.
Oh my god.
Okay, they gotta be back behind us or something.
Is a level 1 helmet better than a 50% level 2?
Yes. I hope. I don't know. Like, yeah.
Just do it. Just do it.
Who's that? That's
I'm
that.
pretty sure, yeah. By bullet.
I was checking for armor shit. Oh, that's
Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Did you get one?
I'm moving over here, Dirk.
No. Just the fact that they're shooting.
Yeah, I know. Now we know where they're at, so I'm gonna push up a little bit.
We'll take the coast step. Oh,
Dirk, get around to the left of that mountain.
I thought they were over by me, like right here to the right, huh?
No, I heard him to my right, dude.
no, he's closer than yellow. He's on the ground somewhere right here.
You think he's prone?
Oh.
How are you alive,
Oh,
bullet?
Dirk, get out of my way, buddy.
I was
Holy
there
shit.
first.
Bullet, the zone's
Oh, I
closing,
see- I
bullet.
see one in the
Fuck
in
me up the
compound.
asshole.
I see one in the compound.
Does
55.
anybody have a first aid? Please tell me one of you. have
Yeah,
a first
dude, I got a lot. Here.
Tagged him
There's
3
another.
times.
Right up here, buddy.
aid. Bitch has got a ghillie, I bet.
There's one at this wall I'm shooting at. Everybody else wants
Have no helmet health.
We're not in zone here, guys, so this isn't good.
Wow.
Nice,
Puff,
Josh.
did you see how many I hit on that?
You lit him up. How is he still alive? Oh, finally.
There we
Jesus
go.
Christ.
Finally,
Alright,
dude.
we gotta move. Like, we gotta get in.
I knocked that guy on the left.
Finished. There's only 2
No,
left.
bullet.
I don't know
Bullet, where from?
Fuck.
From the compound, from the compound.
From the compound.
To our right in the compound.
Oh.
Look at that. Just
Bullet.
one guy left
I
on the
see him,
right.
I see
That's the
him.
only guy left. He's the
on
only
the
guy left
wall.
alive. Only
Nice.
guy left alive.
Dirk's got him. Dirk's got him. Dirk's got him, baby.
Well
We made
done.
that.
Well
We made
done.
that. I can't believe we made that. Oh my god. How did we? Like I said, if we win this, it's ridiculous.
Oh, that was a lot of fun.